Hey everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are checking out Grand Theft Auto 5. I'm pretty excited. Let's get installing. Whew, that's a massive amount of data that you got to install. Looks like we're gonna have to remove some other stuff. So now we go through the motions. Now I keep saying I don't have enough data, but we've already deleted plenty. So we'll see. So we have double the data that it says, but I guess we're gonna have to delete some more, see what happens. Alright, now we freed up 124 gigabytes. It's gotta work now. So, if it's only using 38 gigabytes, I wonder why it wouldn't let us work before. Well, anyway, at least now it's working. It's just gonna take a little bit of time. So, it's a fun game. You need to keep in mind, for mature audiences, there's a lot of swearing and a lot of suggestive themes and stuff. So it's for a mature audience, this game. Keep that in mind. But it's a lot of fun, and especially if you love driving cars.